How to change the password for a development store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is actually going to be very easy and simple to do, so let's just go ahead and get to it. Open up your Shopify admin once you are in here. What you need to do is just go to Online Store, Themes, go to Preferences. And once you go to Preferences, you just want to scroll down to the bottom, or almost, and you will find Password Protection here. Limit who can access your online store, and you can, see the password tab over here, and you can actually feel free to change it. So you can really make it whatever you want. So let's type in whatever you want with a capital W, of course. And now if you just go and click on save, settings saved, and now whoever wants to access our store needs to type in this exact password. So let's just go and try it with a different browser real quick. So let's just copy the store link first in order to actually go ahead and go there. So we can even, by the way, I need to note, even if you're the owner of the store and you're admin, once you actually change the password, you can actually see it's actually going to ask you for a password for the first few times, and then it's actually going to register, oh, this is the actual admin, so I should let them in without the password. But the first few times it's actually going to go in and ask you for the password. So whatever you want, hit enter, and it should open up. Same goes for any other customer that you want to visit your store. They will need to enter this specific password. So now I did open it up with Microsoft Edge, and I did not log into my admin account, so this is just as a customer. And what they are going to see is a screen like this, which you can also further adjust. You can actually add some text here in the middle, which I will show you how to do so in a sec. But they will need to enter using password, and they will use the new one, which is whatever you want. As you can see here, whatever you want, hit enter, and they will basically enter the site. And to add the text that I talked about here, oops, sorry, which should be here somewhere. If you want to add that text, just to give them a little heads up, you can actually do it from the same spot. Just go to Online Store Preferences, scroll down where you will find the password protection, change your password, and then here you will find message to visitors. So you can actually go in and add a message extra. So see you in 2025, like so, and hit save, and now it should actually be applied. Hopefully it does show here. Nope, it does not, because now it's registered that I am the admin. It's not going to show me that, but it is going to be visible at the top of that page. But this is pretty much all you need to do. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.